Boss Art TV.
Okay. What kind of haircut?
Yes.
Say
Yes, and you just
number one.
number one.
Yes. Quality hair. This is original hair. Quality. It's like this. This is the quality hair. Where it came from?
I'm from Congo.
Congo?
Yes.
What place is that?
Nigeria.
Syria? Nigeria?
Not Nigeria.
Not Nigeria?
Another country. Another country, Africa.
Africa. What did you say about Philippines? It's okay.
Yes.
Hey. About food, Filipino food. You like that?
Yes, I like that.
I like that. What is your favorite Filipino food?
I have so many favorite foods. Lechon.
Lechon? You like that, huh?
Chicken adobo.
Chicken adobo.
Yes. Sinigang.
Sinigang. Okay, ah.
And bulalo.
Bulalo. You don't like balut? Balut.
Balut.
You know that balut?
Yes, I know.
You like that? You know that balut?
Yes, I know that. But,
You like? Why you don't like balut?
I cannot eat that.
It's like a live bird. You eat?
Small birds. It's like small birds. We are
But
eating
it's
small
good for the body, huh?
It's good for the body.
Oh yes. You make a Superman strong. Oh. Strong. How long did you been here in the Philippines?
Oh, now almost 7 years.
7 years. You speak Tagalog.
Ah,
Tagalog kay ate. A little bit.
Kala ko niloko lang tayo.
Speak Tagalog, ha?
Hindi yan pala. Tagalog ka lang Tagalog. Muna Tagalog.
English ako na English. Tagalog pala to, no? You know guapo. What?
Yes, sir.
In English?
Handsome.
Yeah. How much this haircut in your country? How much?
Di ba, ilayo mo sa akin? Ayaw ko makita ito.
In Philippine money, how much?
Yes, it depends. Depends depends
place.
if you are depend the place.
Even the place. Aircon, may aircon.
Yes, depend the place.
What did you say about Filipino people? Okay. Very
Filipino,
friendship,
very friendship.
very
They're
hospitality.
Yes. Almost the same with,
Almost the same.
With Africa and
A few moments later.
You look like a teenager now. 17 or 18 years old. How old are you now?
I
How old are you now?
35.
35? You look like 28, huh? Who's your favorite artist in the Philippines? Your favorite artist? Girl or boy man?
Oh, I don't follow.
You don't know the artist?
Yeah.
You know Robin Padilla? What? You don't know that, huh? Vice Ganda, you know that? Vice Ganda? You don't know that? Vice Ganda is gay. But it's beautiful, huh? Vice Ganda. But it's a famous artist in the
Yes.
Philippines.
Very famous.
Famous. And Robin Padilla also.
No manufacturer.
You know that? Manufacturer. What? Okay, oh.
Thank you.
It's okay?
Thank you.